While the car is still running, I'm going to go ahead and do an engine compression test. The engine compression tester that I have here is the Twisted Rotors Technology TR01. This tests the compression on each face of the rotor as well as the RPM that the engine is running at. The compression should be read at 250 RPM, but sometimes you can't actually get that out of there, so we're going to see how accurate this actually is. First thing I'm doing is detaching the spark plug leads. Next thing is to get my spark plug socket wrench and get those plugs out. There's a spark plug for the rear rotor. And here is the spark plug for the front rotor. The next step is to locate the EGI fuse, which is right next to the positive battery terminal. The cover off. The third one down, 30 amp fuse. That out. Now it's time to thread in the sensor by hand. We're going to connect up the cable lead. Connect up the lead to the box, switch it on. Alright, there we have it. I'll post the results again so that we can have a look at what we're working with. And it'll be interesting to see what the internals look like once I have the engine torn apart. But this is a good place to start and gives me some information to work with.